So, as you can see, we've laid it on the fold on this end and on the open end. And there's 2 layers here, 2 layers there. And now we're just going to cut it out nice and simple like here. And just take your time cutting because you want to make it look nice. You want it to be nice and even. So then you're going to cut out this section here. And yeah, I know I'm still attached there, but I'll turn it and it'll be a lot easier for me to cut it. Sometimes making those curves. And because this is on the selvage edge, or the little raggedy part of the end pieces of the fabric, just cut that off. And then I'm just cutting this way. You might have a different way of doing it. Then we'll set this aside, our extra fabric. And now we'll go ahead and do our little ta-da moment. Okay, so we'll take the pattern off. And now you see you have 2 pieces of red. This is going to be one side of your reversible skirt. And you can see here where I didn't cut as nice and round as I should have. You get that little divot there, but that's okay. And you got some little extra pieces. And of course, you've got your other part. So now you're just going to attach it and we'll go from there.